Hey friend, this portion of the video is sponsored. This is the Wisesky WS310 series air purifier. This air purifier covers up to 1,241 square feet of space per hour, so it cleans pretty quickly and is perfect for extra large rooms. This device is so quiet you can work or sleep by it. It has the H13 True HEPA filtration with HEPA smart technology, which removes 99.97% of the 0.1 airborne microscopic particles. I know that was a lot, but that's important because your respiratory health is super important, and this will help get the air super clean. Make sure you read the instructions before proceeding with the process of setting up your device. You want to make sure you remove the filters, which is on the inside of this very sleek design. Now listen, any machine that I can utilize with my nails is a friend to me. And that's one of the first things that I realized about this machine is not only is it going to help my family with our respiratory issues and making sure that we're clean and safe, taking in clean and safe air, but it is also easy to use with long nails. That is important to a lot of us, just so you know. These are the air filters that comes with the product. You have a pre-filter and a composite filter. Now, the pre-filter is designated to extend the life of the primary filter and to capture like large particles in the air like dust, lint, hair fibers, pet hair, stuff like that. Now, the 2-in-1 composite filter includes the, I think it's like the H13 HEPA filter that's with the like activated carbon. This HEPA filter actively decomposes like harmful pollutants like carbon, absorbs smoke, odor, soot, pet odor, stuff like that out of the air as well. And then instructions tell you exactly how to install it. So you want to make sure that when you are opening and closing it, you are doing it from front facing. It's just easier to open and close the door and hold it. The touch panel, which is the display panel at the top right there, so easy to use. The buttons are almost untouchable. It's just so light, you can just light-handedly touch it. You can also compare, this is Bluetooth compatible. You can download the app, which is what I'm doing here, and actually work the machine through the app. And again, it does work well with Alexa. But you just want to go in, scan the QR code as I've done here, follow all the prompts. It was showing some of my personal info at the top, but follow all the prompts. And once inside the app, it'll show you actually other products that they sell. You can reorder filters that you need for your device also through the app. Again, you can control the speed, turn it off, turn it on. It is so quiet. You can sit literally right beside this thing and you won't hear it. So sleek, tuck it away, won't even realize it's in the room. Meanwhile, it is doing the job. And it looks so modern and futuristic, by the way. Again, that is the display panel at the top. Those black vents there around the top is the air outlet. And underneath where the lighting is, that right there is the air quality indicator, right? The yellow indicates that the air quality is fair. Red is poor quality. If it is blue, it's excellent quality. And it has a visible 360 degrees. That silver side that you see right there is the side air inlet. It is made like of a hollow metal craftsmanship that's really beautiful and sturdy, by the way. And then on the bottom of this, there is the bottom air inlet, which allows for dimensional air return and promotes air circulation. And then on the very bottom is the machine's base. Again, you can tuck it away. You can carry it from one room to the next easily. It's lightweight, yet still does the job. I am going to leave a link down below in the description of this video. Anything that they offer me, I will offer you as well. Make sure to go over on their site, check it out. Order you one of these, friend. It's not very expensive when you're talking about your respiratory health. in these times. There's also some information on here about you California residents that may be very important, and for those of you who live in areas that have wildfires. This machine is perfect for you. Again, the link will be down below. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video, and I hope you guys have a great day. We got to get my air quality right. I want that thing to be top notch. Okay, bye guys. Good morning, friend. Don't forget to check the link down below in case you are interested in an air purifier. Anyway, this video right here is just going to be us today hanging out. I'm going to share with you how I set up my little area for my most favorite hobby that I'm doing right now, which is, I don't know what I'm calling it, journaling, junk journaling, but using interior decorating as a way to express my, I don't know, happy journaling on paper, right? And just creating different rooms, different sceneries. There's no rules to this thing. But more so, I really want to right now talk to those of you that are interested in content creation. You're looking to expand your income or just do something that is beneficial to you, be it that it's just for your mental health, it's just a hobby you want to, or again, you want to make that extra money. This video is really to help encourage you to go ahead and do that. But let me get through this hot flash, girl, because listen, look at it. And it's going to go on for a while, but I ain't going to make y'all self all the way through it. Anywho, this again is just some encouragement for those of you that have been thinking about it, considering, those of you that have messaged me privately, wanting to know more in depth about content creation. This is just a little push for you. Now, this for me right now is just definitely helping with my mental health. But I love what I'm doing in terms of just playing around with this paper. Okay, if I'm being honest, it really does help me to just relax my mind, stop overthinking things, and definitely it removes all those negative thoughts that my brain likes to make me think I'm thinking. Okay. Anyway, it doesn't matter who is watching your content, friend. If it makes you happy, that is what is going to come through the screen for those of you that is supposed to be watching your content. Your content is not going to be for everybody. Okay, friend? That's the main thing. Listen, just do it. Turn your camera on and do it. Again, if you guys want more of this in depth, let me know. And we can do some private. We'll talk about it. Just enjoy the ASMR. said. Don't let nobody tell you what you can and can't do, friend. You understand me? Okay, let this video be encouraging for you to do whatever it is. Don't have to be this, it could be anything. Just go do it. Okay? In life, enjoy life. It's too short. Make sure that your purpose is to do whatever makes you happy. I love you, okay? Now get your ass in there and lay down and do what I said. Okay, bye, y'all.
그렇게 아무 계획 없이 떠나볼래 다 내려놓고 괜찮을 거야 We'll be back 멀리 날아오르자 No worries 어디 버렸어 어릴 적을 회상해보면